taco, yeah, with prawn taco and crab meat. You can put the mentai mayo as you wish. This is where the fire is, just spread it. Very
Yeah.